Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're looking at a cleaning robot that's pushing boundaries in both power and design, the Roborock Qrevo CurvX robot vacuum and mop. If you've been searching for a robot that can handle real-life mess, tight spaces, and stubborn dirt without getting stuck or tangled, this one might be exactly what you need. What immediately stands out is its massive 22,000 Pascal suction, which is one of the strongest you'll find in a consumer robot vacuum. This level of power means it can pull debris from carpets, floor gaps, and corners that many robots simply glide over. And despite the power, it maintains a super thin 3.14-inch profile, giving it a huge advantage under couches, beds, dressers, and low cabinetry where other vacuums can't reach. Pause. If you're wondering whether you've reviewed this one before, you haven't. This is a fresh product for your channel. Moving on, the Roborock Qrevo CurvX features a zero-tangling brush design, which drastically reduces hair wrapping, especially helpful if you have pets. Its Reactive AI Obstacle Recognition uses advanced sensors and machine vision to identify cables, shoes, toys, socks, and even pet waste in real time so it avoids getting stuck or dragging things around the house. Then there's the AdaptiLift Chassis, which automatically raises or lowers the mop pads depending on the floor type. On carpets, the mop lifts to avoid soaking the fibers. On hard floors, it lowers for full mop contact, making transitions seamless and fully automatic. The dock is also a major highlight. It performs auto hot water mop washing, making sure the pads are cleaned thoroughly after each session, and auto drying, so you don't get any mildew smell. The robot returns to the dock, gets washed, dried, and ready for the next run without you touching anything. If you want a compact, intelligent, powerful cleaning robot that actually handles real homes, this one delivers on almost every front. If you're ready to check it out, the purchase link is below. Make sure to buy through Amazon, and don't forget to subscribe for more daily tech reviews.